Hi, this is Abid and Malik from Abid Financials. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you QuickBooks Online certification for UK, and I shall discuss the basic core certification exam answers today. There are total 50 questions which shall be taken in your exam, and I think so there are no section here as compared to the US version where you are required to give the answer in different section like section 1, 2, 3 and 4, but this is very different. Here you need to take all question in a one sitting, and these will be total 50 question, and you are required to get 80% passing marks with the 40 answers out of 50. So let's start.
First of all, we know that how you will access this exam. You need to go to QuickBooks Intuit websites and give your login ID and password. Then you should select your firm which is relevant to your UK based, and after selecting this one, it will get you in the window of QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor tab. In the left navigation bar on the left side, you will see the third tab, that is Pro Advisors. Here you can see the second tab, that is Training. This is a one way, and the other way is you will just go to here the Training tab, and then you will see in all your certifications here. There are two certification. First one is Core QuickBooks Online, and the second one is QuickBooks Online Advanced. So I am gonna share with you the exam answers of your QuickBooks Online certification, core certification here. These are total, there are 10 modules here, and you may study this materials from here. This is self-paid here, and you will select all these 10 modules will be shown here. Getting start, money in, money out, banking, TDA, VAT, force, tools, mobile app. These are the different section of your study material relevant to the course certification. If you want to direct take your exam, then you should go to hit this button, take the exam, and the new window shall be open here, and then you shall be able to take your exam there. So it's loading now the exam window, and then you shall be able to take your exam. So this is a different you need to get 80% passing marks here, and there are total 3 attempts you can attempt, and if you cannot achieve this one, and it will be logged for 60 days, and after the 60 days then you shall be able to take your exam again. So if you want to get start there, and hit this button, and it's welcome to QuickBooks Online certification here, and then you can start this button. Click this start button, and the exam shall be ready from here. So I am going to share with you the answer of all these questions. So let's hear all these section one by one. So this is I take this exam and got 82% passing marks. 41 questions were correct out of 50. So I took this exam on 24 Feb 25. So let's start our first question. The first question is, where can you access the sample company loan for successful events? The correct answer is B, from the setting COG when sign into a QuickBooks Online accountant company. Question 2, which heading is not shown from the new button? Correct answer, bank. Where can you access account setting, list and tools? The correct answer is setting COG. How can your QuickBooks Online clients accept online payments from the customer? The correct answer, by linking with third-party application like PayPal and Go Cardless. Fifth question, QuickBooks users that wishes to use Zplay by PayPal to accept card payment will receive a discount card reader. Is it true or false? This is true. Question 6. New button consists of which of the following transaction categories? Correct answer is customers, suppliers, employees and others. Question number 7. In which list the sales center could you find shortcut recurring invoice, recurring sales template? Correct answer is invoices. Which of following detail is compulsory on an invoice? Correct answer is customer. Which icon on the create invoice screen will share you all of your recent invoices? Clock icons is correct answer. If you have an invoice dated 1st Jan 2020 with a due date of 31st October, what would you expect to see in the terms box? So it would be net 30 days. So when is a sale receipt used? Correct answer, when payment is received at the same time as goods or services is provided. A status of rejected can be applied to an estimate true or false is true. What action have been taken if you are reviewing customer's transaction and you can see an invoice has a status of paid? Correct answers are the open invoice has been matched with the bank center. The receive payment option has been used. Question number 14. Which of the following letters can be used as a shortcut in a date box? The shortcut is A, D. You are entering a journal for your clients. The date function is currently displayed today's date. What shortcut can you use to change the date to yesterday date? Correct answer is press the minus button. What is effect of typing 10/6 in any amount rate field? The correct answer is QuickBooks Online reads this as 10 minus 6 and puts the number 4 in the amount field. So number 17, your client sells different product ranges and they wishes to provide customers with tailored invoices depending on product range sold. How can this be done? Correct answer, use the custom form style and create separate invoice template. In which section of the invoice customization would you find the option to add or edit the logo on your invoice? Correct answer is design. Where in the count and setting area could I turn on tracking expense and item by customers and making the billable? Correct answer is expenses. You have an expense account for insurance. When entering a bill, where can you select that account? Correct answer is category. What function can you use to create a bill similar to one that has already been recorded? Correct answer is duplicate. What are the difference between a bill and expense? There are two correct answers. You can only add attachment to an expense. Only bills contain the item details, and you must use payment account on an expense. You can enter terms against the bill. So this is correct answer. And item details are also available in an expense. You must use payment account on an expense. Yes. And you can only add attachments to an expense. This is wrong. Only bills contain item details, and this is wrong. This is also. What are differences between a bill and expense? There are two correct answers. I think the correct answer is you can enter terms against bills, and this one is correct answer. Question number 23, your client has purchased some biscuits using petty cash. How would you record this? Create an expense is correct answer. Question number 24, after connecting a bank account to QuickBooks Online, what are you able to do? Correct answer is see transaction for a review that would also see in the online bank transaction listing. 25, question number from which tab in transaction menu would you manage the bills for receipts upload using receipt snap? Correct answer is receipts. So this is 26th question. A single entry in for review section of banking center relate to money received to pay 2 invoices. What step do you need to take match this entry? Correct answer is select transaction, use find match features, select correct invoices to match. 27. Your client has spent money at the supermarket using the debit card. This expense has appeared in for review section of Banking Center. What function do you need to use to allocate these expenses to different categories and VAT codes? Correct answer is split the transactions. So number 28, your client has paid for fuel using debit card in 3 different invoice sections. Service station, these transactions are left in a for review tab. What's the quickest way to add these transactions? Correct answer, tick all 3 transactions, update the transaction in batch and then apply and accept transaction. 29. There are transactions in for review section of Banking Center Online has identified as being a match transaction related to which of the following? Correct answer is unpaid bills, invoices, paid bills, invoices, transfer expenses, sale receipts that have already been recorded. Which of the following condition option will you find when setting up a rule? Correct answer is bank text. These are 2 basically correct answers, bank text and pay, but here we need to choose only one, so this is bank text. What does the green icon against each line in the reconciliation screen related to? All entries added or matched from Banking Center. 32. Your client does not want to connect your bank account to QuickBooks Online. What could you do instead to maximize the benefit of using Banking Center? Correct answer is upload their bank statement using a CSV file. Your client record both air and train fares as travel expense. They will like to be able to report against these separately but would like to group them together. How can this be done? Correct answer, set up air and train travel as sub-account of travel expense. 34. How could you rename an account in your chart of account? There are 2 answers. Correct answer, use the rename option in drop-down list. Use the edit option in drop-down list line with account on your chart of account. Question number 35. What action can you take when you have chart of accounts category? There are not being used. Correct answer is batch or delete or make inactive. Question number 36. Your client has coded 56 payroll transactions with 0 rate VAT. How can you change them all not to VAT without having to edit them one by one? Correct answer, use reclassify transaction in accountant tool. If you see journal number for OR, what is the significance of OR? Correct answer, journal 4 has been reversed. 38. Your client has created customer invoice in error. The correct invoice has been created in number 1004. What can you do to adjust the value of invoice to nil? Correct answer is void the invoice. 39. Where can you view a list of voided and deleted transactions? Correct answer, go to reports, find voided and deleted reports in accountant reports and in the edit log by filtering transactions. What features can you use to check accuracy of VAT return before you file with HMRC? Correct answer, VAT error checker. Selecting which of the following reports will result in a PDF document of all your key VAT reports automatically downloading. Correct answers, all VAT reports. VAT exception report only shows transactions which have been voided or deleted. True or false? False. How can you tell if a client has been set up correctly for making text digital in QuickBooks Online? Correct answer, MTD enable will appear in the top left hand corner in the VAT center. Transactions that appear as exception in a VAT return are likely to be which of the following? Correct answer are transactions previously included on a VAT return that has now changed. How can you create a profit and loss report to display month by month when the current view display only a total for the year today? Correct answer, change the display column by the top of the reports to the month and run report. At which stage in the process of importing a customer list will you be given the option to download a sample file? Correct answer is import. When a user has been added with a rule standard limited customer only, which of the following can they do? Correct answer, create invoice, receive the payment. Your QuickBooks client wants to start using mobile app. What do they need to do? Enable. Download that app to their device, sign in using their normal QuickBooks login detail. What are the benefits of raising an invoice and estimate on the QuickBooks mobile app? There are two options. You can capture your customer signature. It can be recorded quickly on the go. Last question is, where can you find the option to take your QuickBooks Online exam, register for advanced training, and see benefits available to you as a pro advisor? Correct answer is pro advisor area in the accountant dashboard. So that's all for today, and I have completed all the answer of these questions. And if you want to learn about QuickBooks Online and Zero and the certification answers, please visit my YouTube channel Abid Financials, where you can find all series of these answers and trainings for QuickBooks and the Zero. If you have any question, please let me know at the comment section and I shall reply you as soon as possible. I have put my a lot of efforts to capture this question and the answer. Please like this video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next series. Bye bye.